Thank you, Sarah. That's great progress from the engineering team. Now let's see where we are with our marketing. Let me open the marketing board. And here's the Kanban view. And Sam, while we're on this, can you share a link to our sales pipeline board?
Still going from board to board in your status meetings? What if you could see the status of all your projects at a single place? With the multi-board Kanban, now you can. Let me show you how. Just select the boards that you want to combine, and pick a status column that's common across all these boards. Now you can see items from all these boards grouped into a single Kanban view. You can drag and drop, search and filter, or update items all from one view. You can also add new items to any of the connected board from a single place. What's more, unlike the default Kanban view, even sub-items show up as cards. You can even control which fields you want to see on these cards. With the multi-board Kanban, now all your status check-ins will go from tedious to effortless. Install it from the Monday Marketplace today.